that I don't believe is shared as much as it should be are the scuba diving classes, where a lot of persons have gotten the opportunity to be certified, typically with PADI, and this is where the classes begin in the pool, and so they will get trained with the weights, with the tanks, and of course with the breathing apparatus, the face mask, all of that. It is such an important part of resort life and serious business too. Typically after you have completed the dive program with the dive master, then you are taken out on the dive boat for the actual dives, and it has been life-changing for so many persons. Just another reason why